As always, it was sacred and special. It was inspiring and enlightening to see somebody who for so many years and decades has been a force for compassion and love in this world. It was wonderful. Well, my nephew came with me and asked him, what is it makes a good student? And he said, whether you're an adult or whether you're a young person, it's really leading with your heart. It's bringing love forward and compassion, and that's what brings peace of mind. And he spoke about meeting with heads of state, people with stressful lives. He said they all ask him, how do you get the peace of mind and peace of heart? And he said it all starts and ends with compassion. That was really wonderful.
I've been on this amazing trip with my family, and I got to meet His Holiness. I asked a question about what it means to be a better student, how to be a better student of the world, young and old, and he said that compassion is the way. My understanding was that every subject you have to be open, you have to be willing to learn, and only through that can you achieve your goals. I'll remember that. It was a moment, it was special, I'll always remember it.